What if I told you there's a digital side hustle that can earn you over $20,000 a month, and it's specifically designed for people over 40 who want financial freedom? Today, I'm revealing the simplest digital side hustle that's changing lives. Stay with me because this could be your path to $20,000 plus monthly. Let's dive in right now. The side hustle I'm talking about is online course creation and digital coaching. But here's why it works perfectly for the over 40 crowd. You already have decades of experience and knowledge that people desperately want. Whether it's business skills, life experience, or professional expertise, people pay premium prices for wisdom that only comes with age. And the best part, you can start this from your own home. Step 1. Identify your unique expertise that others would pay to learn. This isn't just your job title. It could be a professional skill or a lifelong hobby. If you have deep experience in something, that knowledge is valuable. Step 2. Research what people in your field are struggling with most. Go to online forums and Facebook groups to find their recurring questions. Your course must be the direct answer to a real nagging problem. Step 3. Create a comprehensive course outline that solves their biggest problems. This is your blueprint for their transformation. Structure it with clear modules that guide them to their desired outcome. Step 4. Record your course content using simple tools you probably already own. Your smartphone camera is powerful. Just add good lighting and a simple mic for clear audio. Step 5. Upload to platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or create your own website. Marketplaces offer traffic but take a cut. Your own site gives you full control and profit. Step 6. Market through LinkedIn, YouTube, and professional networks you already have. Don't just sell, serve. Share valuable tips and tutorials that showcase your expertise and build trust. Step 7. Price your expertise appropriately. Premium knowledge commands premium prices. You're not selling videos. You're selling a transformation. Price based on the value of the result. Step 8. Add high-ticket coaching services for personalized guidance. Some students will always want more direct access. This dramatically boosts your income and their results. Step 9. Automate your sales process so you earn while you sleep. Set up an automated email funnel that nurtures leads and presents your offer, working for you 24/7. Step 10. Scale up by creating multiple courses and building your personal brand. Your first course is the foundation. Expand with advanced topics or a membership community. So, you're probably wondering if that $20,000 a month mark is realistic. Let's get granular. Here's how the $20,000 plus monthly breaks down realistically. It's not a dream, but a strategic plan. Sell just 30 courses monthly at $500 each, that's $15,000. That's only one sale per day. With a defined audience and a solid marketing strategy, finding one person daily is achievable. Next, add 8 coaching clients at $1,000 per month. There's another $8,000. These are often your most dedicated students, eager for that next level of transformation and willing to invest in personalized guidance. Throw in affiliate commissions and additional platforms, and you easily hit $25,000 plus. This could be from recommending software you use or running a small paid community. These extra streams add up quickly. Now, this doesn't happen overnight. Expect 3 to 6 months to build momentum. This is your foundation building phase for creating content and growing your audience. Be patient, as consistency is key. But once you're established, the income potential is virtually unlimited. Unlike a 9 to 5, your systems work for you 24/7, and your earnings are tied directly to the impact you make. And remember, you're not just earning money, you're building a legacy of knowledge. You're taking your decades of experience and creating an asset that provides freedom and makes a real difference. If you're over 40 and ready to monetize your decades of hard-won experience, the time for hesitation is over. Don't just think about it. Start today. Your journey begins not with a giant leap, but with a few simple actions you can take right after watching this video. First, grab a pen and paper and write down 3 areas where you have deep expertise. Think beyond your 9 to 5. Consider your hobbies, life experiences, or problems you've become an expert at solving. What knowledge do you have that could genuinely help someone else? Something they would pay to learn. Next, pick one topic and do some quick market research on a platform like Udemy or Skillshare. Your goal isn't to get intimidated, it's to validate that a market exists. See what's selling? Then ask yourself, what unique angle can my years of experience bring to this subject? Now for the most crucial step, take imperfect action. Pull out your smartphone, hit record, and create a simple 5-minute video sharing one valuable tip. It doesn't have to be perfect. The point is to break the inertia and prove to yourself that you can create and share valuable content. Remember, your age isn't a liability. It's your ultimate advantage. It signifies trust and real-world wisdom. Don't let another month pass wondering what if. Your financial freedom begins now. If you're committed, subscribe for more practical strategies designed to turn your experience into income. We're in this together.